Hey guys, I got 11K left to all in into Bitcoin. Today, I want to ask Feng if it was him, how would he invest this 11K? Feng is a fellow entrepreneur friend of mine, and he developed a quant trading system with 6 other colleagues. I honestly hate the huge emotional roller coaster that comes with trading. So I decided to invest 50K into Feng's quant trading system. Today, Feng and I are going to discuss the following topics. 1, how he would invest his 11K for the long term and at which price points. 2nd, I have a losing long position at 36K. And what should I do with that position? Because stupidly, I didn't set a stop loss. And thirdly is, how is the quant system trading so far? Are we making money? Just a heads up, this conversation was recorded on May 10th. Check it out. Feng, how would you invest this 11,000 during this bear phase?
Hey guys, when we're talking about the long term, right? So $11,000 is not small money. So we want to put the $11,000 right on the bottom. Then we hold as long as we can, right? So we're talking about the long term. We don't think the 30,000K is the final bottom, even though we have the bottom right, last year, 2021, April, May, July, we have the same bottom. Right now, we are reaching to that range, but we don't think that's a final bottom. You know why? Because last time when we pull the fib extension, right? Right using our first bull run top, another bottom, then we have the 69K. So we're using this 3 point to pull our fib extension. So we can see that right now we are just breaking through the 1 level. So this is a very, very important level. When we break through this, everything for the short term is going downward again. And we can see, we have a 1.272 level right here, right in 23K. So with the price going downward to 23K, so we need more confirmations, right? The first thing we're going to do is we're going to pull the volume profile, right? We're starting from the 20,000K. This is the point where 2018 bull run top, right? So this is the new bull run. So we want to pull the starting point of just from 20,000K. So we can see that, the 48,000 is just reaching the value area high. Then will be rejected, heavily, going downwards. Right now it seems that we have the value area low, support the price, but we can see, this 23,000K is just have the correlation with the volume profile, because here we have another, slightly massive transaction happens right here. This is just look like Bitcoin. Every time Bitcoin have to, shake off some burden, some people using high leverage, right? In order to make Bitcoin to go into another bull run, so Bitcoin had to shake off a lot of burdens, a lot of leverage, so Bitcoin can starting light again, so going up forward. Every time when we have the weekly line, something like this, the view up going down, the RSI is going down, and the momentum is going down. Every time we have this, Bitcoin have a 50 or 60% drop. So right now we have only 38% drop, from 38K to 30K. So that doesn't make sense that Bitcoin gonna stop from here, start running again. So we believe if the Bitcoin, just like 2018 or 2014, if Bitcoin have another 50 or 60% drop, the price gonna go into this level. So this is a 50% drop, right? This is our third confirmations, right? So another confirmation is something like this. If we pull the fib from just from 69K to the predictable level, which is at 23K, we can see that. We can see, the fib is making sense. The first drop, the first dump is going to the golden pocket. Then the price is going up again to another golden pocket. then the price going up again to 0.786, going to the golden pocket again, then will be rejected and going downwards, right? So this is our false confirmation. All these confirmations telling us the price have room to going downwards. For answer your question, if you have 110 K.
11,000. I don't have 100K. I don't have 11,000. 11,000.
I mean, even 11,000, that's big money, right? I mean, if you have 11,000 K to invest, I would say for the next 1 or 2 weeks, maybe you can wait a little bit more to see if the price can be coming back down again. So if the price really reach this point, I think that's your all-in time, right?
I see. Not financial advice. It's something that Feng would do.
Yeah. I mean, we always trade paper money, right? We are not financial advisors. So, we are entertainers.
So my second question, because I followed the quant system a few days ago, and it told me to, it did a long at 36K. So I did a long. I didn't set a stop loss, and then it started dropping. It's dropping heavily till now. So I'm down quite a lot right now. If there's a rebound, at what price point do you think we could go up to?
Well, before answering your question, I want to add simple, life lessons for your trading career, right? Never put yourself in the situation like this, right?
Yeah.
So you have to plan your trade and trade your plan, right? When you pull a long right here, that's a good decision. Our trend system always put a long right here, but we set a stop loss, right? When the price breaks through this level, you're gonna want to start to stop loss, then start shorting again. You don't want to wait because you never know how the price is gonna behave, right? They're gonna reach 10K. You don't know, and you don't want to lose all your money. And to answer your question, what you should do now, because we see the daily chart, we see it's starting printing a buy signal, the momentum starting printing green dot, right? That's a good sign. But since we already break through this long-term upward trend, right here, this is the point where we put the long, right? And since we already break through this, I think this bounce back probably gonna reach up to here, probably, right? If the price is gonna reach up here, I think that's the point where you want to, close your long position. Maybe if you're brave enough, you can start shorting again, right? That's one confirmation. So always we want to more confirmations, right? So when we pull the fib, we love fib. We love fib. Every time we pull the fib, when we pull the fib like this, starting from 48K to 30K, so we can see the golden pocket right here. The golden pocket has the correlation with what? With the short-term downward trend and the long-term upward trend right here. So the price, if the price behaves just like the Bitcoin, right? I think the price is going to be reached up this level. So when the price reach up to this level, when we see the momentum going upwards, then starting printing a red dot, right? I think that's a great point to close your long position, then starting shorting again, right? The overall market sentiment is really, really bad now. The SPY is going down, the Nasdaq is going down, everything's going down. So I don't think we're gonna have the V-shaped turning point right here, because this is different from here. At this point, we still have the market power, we still have the market sentiment to pump the price up. Right now, we simply don't have that.
Yeah, man. So much bad news in the world right now.
Yeah.
I was mentioning I did this trade because I followed the quant system. But the next morning I woke up, the market crashed, and the quant system actually shorted. It changed its position. It reacted very, very fast. So is the quant system making money this week?
Yeah. We have a stop loss right here because we took a long position right here. But as long as it breaks through the upward trend line, so we stop loss, then we starting shorting. Then I think the quant system making money is in this range, right? After we take the stop loss, then we make about 10%, but we starting shorting from I think it's 35K.
Yeah. And I think it closed the position at around 32K.
32K, yeah.
Yeah.
Right here. I think it's because this is a long-term value area low, right? So we think this is gonna be, bounce the price back up. So we close the short position, take our profits, then we start long again. I think today, since we already have a green dot, I think that today the system is starting along again.
Cool. Okay, so I don't think, like you said, if I'm brave enough, I'll close my position and start shorting again. And I'm not brave. I'm a pansy. So I'm just gonna let the system make money for me.
Yeah. I mean, always risk management, man. Like, human have all kinds of emotions. That emotion is really, really bad for trading. So that's why we're using, human machine combination. Now, that's the way we make money.
True. All right. I appreciate the update, Feng.
Yeah, no problem, man.
I'll see you next week.
See you.
Peace.